Hello guys! Today we are going for a trip and we are sitting in front of the world map and thinking about the place to go to. Fahim Amu, Bilal Amu and Ami is there.
Yes. Hi guys.
Where are we going to go to, Ami?
Let's go to Delhi.
What are we planning?
I'm planning to go to Delhi.
Let's go to Mysore. Mysore.
Mysore? Wait guys, I will show you the world map.
Hold up.
Guys, this is the world map. We will be going only somewhere in India. They are planning. What Fahim? Tell.
I was thinking of going to Manali.
Manali is too far.
I'm going to Mysore.
Oh, Mysore is too near. Mysore, everyone has gone, right?
No.
No?
Heading.
What? Mysore is okay?
Let's go somewhere in south, like Hyderabad or something.
That is a good. Yeah, we have the friends also there.
Who's there?
Aman, Fazil. Yes?
Yeah, then that's a great idea. Let's go there.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Food is very good.
Let's go.
Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Let's go, guys.
Okay? So guys, we have set off our journey to Hyderabad. We are on our way to railway station. Bilal, are you happy?
Yeah, very.
What? Are you happy, Bilal?
I'm happy.
You're happy?
Yeah.
You're happy? No? So get out of the car. Jump! Now! So guys, we are entering the train. Bilal and Ami have settled already. Ami?
So guys, we started our yatra. سبحان الذي سخر لنا هذا وما كنا له مقرنين وإنا إلى ربنا لمنقلبون. رفي؟ English. What? English. English.
What? Guys, after a very long train journey, we reached Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Opposite High Court of
Allah.
Hi, I am Hyderabad guys. I am your guy. Hello. This is Hyderabad. Corona is the big problem. So big mouth. Today there is some തക്കാളി ബിരിയാണി, മുളക് പൊടി, ഉപ്പ്, ഉള്ളി, ഇഞ്ചി. Hello guys. We are going to Charminar. യങ്സ്റ്റർ ബ്രോസിന് പുതിയ വീഡിയോ സ്വാഗതം.
Let's go.
സ്വാഗതം.
So on the way, we reached to what shop?
It's show the video.
This shop we reached, and
It has fatair, it has juban, zatar,
yeah,
and all kind of fatair food.
yeah. So we are going to taste the food.
Here is our Karnataka goalkeeper.
Karnataka State
goalkeeper.
Your team goalkeeper.
He is ISL
Saudi-
future. He
He is wearing
is a friend.
എന്റെ കൈ ചെത്ത് പോയി.
പാപ്പ ചെന്നൈ. ഞാന് ഉമ്മി Thalassery.
Guys, Zatar and Jubna came. What you have to say, Bilal? So
You missed Aman.
hello. Aman, take. Take one Zaatar. And take one Jubna.
कैसा है?
Jubna and Zaatar mixed.
Eating with mask. That tasty.
Wow. How you are doing this, Aman?
I am born magician.
This is the specialty of Hyderabadians. They can eat with mask.
Hyderabad special.
This is Hyderabadi people, guys.
Special.
Eating Zaatar with ketchup.
Zaatar with takkali.
Don't vomit here.
Super.
Please don't do that.
You do it. This is your experience.
Jubna with ketchup, we can do.
Experience, bro. Wow. Mix.
Let's try this, guys. I have never tried this. Oh God. You should not do this, guys.
Don't try this at home.
Yeah.
He is performed professional.
This is.
This is that man from.
Ketchup put it on.
Guys, this is hibiscus juice. Very costly, 50 rupees. Let me try first.
500, 5,000.
50 week.
You hold the camera.
This color is because of Molake body. Molake body. This testing is that. Taste test कर रहा है ठीक है रुक रहा पैसा वेस्ट.
Is it good?
I didn't waste the money, guys. It is.
हर चीज को यही बोल रहा बाप.
Kurat al-Qadam in my
So we are playing football tonight. Fahim, tell something. Oh, you don't like to tell, but you like to show. Guys, Fahim and Ami is showing skills. That didn't come in the video. I will censor that. Guys, after football match, we reached into a Arabic restaurant and we ordered some faham and Bukhari rice. Ami is happy. Everyone is busy here.
Youngster Bros channel പുതിയ വീഡിയോയുടെ സ്വാഗതം. Let's go.
You as in generally
Faham with what?
it's a bit negative but positive in a lot.
هذا خبز بموالة خبز.
How is it, Rafi? Is this very good?
It's good. Not Saudi level, but
Hyderabad level.
average.
Okay.
Average बोल दिया.
All this stuff is over.
Guys, after a long journey, we are at Charminar right now.
Yes.
It's almost 11 p.m. but still it's pretty lit over here. The nightlife.
Wow.
Hi, it's me. I'm the main guy here. is my friend Pomagom, Youngster Bros. We're at Charminar.
This is Mohsin BMZ. Yeah. This is Faimamu. Faimamu, what is your first impression?
Nice.
Very big minar.
Wide angle. Wow. What is this Charminar? The specialty is everywhere we go we'll see one minar.
Two.
Two minar, sorry. Go, that's it. Show two other minars.
Oh, you only go.
Then you know Charminar will see. Then you'll have more feels.
Fazil, what is your first impression?
This
This is 200th impression.
yes, correct.
What is your first 200th impression?
I am awestruck.
What is your impression? You're here in Hyderabad.
My
first time.
impression.
Let's see what is how ulta.
1 minute.
Stop video.
No, we'll just do this.
Okay.
Yes, sir. How is your impression?
My first impression
With
was
Charminar.
Wait 1 minute, 1 minute.
while coming only I saw first impression.
What I cannot hear.
While coming only I saw first impression.
What was it?
Now this is my third impression.
How is it? Beautiful.
When you saw
Now while coming in
Fourth impression. Look again. Fourth impression. Amazing. We got his fourth impression, guys. Beautiful. You guys are honored to see this. Whoever is seeing, the fans.
Now Fazil will be inspiring us with a historical story about Charminar.
First time have to drink water, too much pressure, story, scary, heartbreak.
Bismillah.
Bismillah. So, here in Charminar there is one man. He is little mad guy. Whoever he will go, no, he will stop and he will say, hey look, someone is looking. Hey look, someone is looking. From that small windows you can see, small. He will say, look, you can see. And he will tell in such a manner that you will believe him. And you will also think, actually someone is looking.
You are that madman.
No, there is only actually.
Actual man. When you are
Actual
just
man,
faking this
actual
story.
man. No, I'm not faking. Actual man is there. That story maybe he's faking because you know what happened? Like some years ago, maybe 20-30 years ago or maybe 10 years ago, one girl, okay, school girl, because she broke up, okay, she had to break up, parents didn't agree for a relation like that. What she did was, she with her two brothers, one small brothers, two small brothers, like this small.
This much only, medium size.
Like these two small brothers.
How much was
She
sister
took
age?
both of them.
So are you?
No,
I just want to ask.
18, 19.
She was mature.
Yes, please don't
Okay,
interrupt the
sorry.
story.
There is no question in story.
Okay, sorry.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Youngster Bro, number 3.
Number one, bro.
So what happened? She jumped from one place. And this is 100% real. 100% real.
Brothers also jump.
She took brothers and jumped. Small kids do. From there she jumped. First part is landing, you know where? You're seeing that white color fence like this sharp
Spikes.
body.
Charminar stabbed them.
That fence stabbed them.
Charminar's fence stabbed them.
This is the myth of the story. And sometimes they would say that actually it is haunted. That's why after Maghrib it is closed. Only in morning it will open. No, can't go.
Abhi nahi aa
No,
sakte.
normally.
Morning can go.
What from where?
Go up. Yeah, up.
Yeah, you can
No,
go.
you can go through these pillars. Not above that. These sides. See, sides will walk, you know.
तो मतलब लिमिट रहती है अभी
Yeah. No.
कोविड टाइम कुछ नहीं पूरा भर के रहता है वहाँ पे
Only one. No. हम लोगों
Talk
को
English.
only less people they will send. One.
So guys, now from Charminar there is this shop called Milan Juice Center.
Juice Center.
You get many types of malai here, addiboli malai.
From there we bought Shahdud Malai.
Wow. This is
First
mixture of
first
blackberry. Wait, second taste Karlan.
Big liar.
Very tasty, guys.
Lying in Charminar.
Look guys,
The next day.
This is that special Hyderabad chicken sandwich profit. Veg. No, so bad. How's the person say? Say opinion.
Amit, 2 months.
Winter road is just but nice.
Hey guys, today where are we going?
Golconda Fort.
Okay, today we will be going to Golconda Fort, but that will be another video. On the way to eat lunch, we found a small place where
So
they
how small
sell
it is?
halim.
Very small.
Okay,
What is this?
halim.
Very good halim.
Special Hyderabadi halim. Fresh made.
Hershey special. Hershey special.
You should mix this.
Yes. कुछ message नहीं हो रहा. Put from middle and go full down. Yeah, like that. Pro mixer, halim mixer. Yes, one second. Spice, right? Spicy.
Can you handle the spice? Black pepper.
Pepper. Oh,
What five pepper? Don't say like that.
Are you not gonna try?
beautiful Hyderabadi dish.
For him, only Aminul is left for the reaction.
Give us vegan. यहाँ पहले में क्रीम में प्योर वेज हाँ इंडिया बिट्टुंदल्ले अल्स बोलेदे
He is hesitant. Mr. Kollam is hesitant.
What did he say? Oh, Mr. Kollam. Pure veg ready. It's good. Spicy.
क्या बस दिया reaction
One more spoon.
बस reaction.
Hey, that is 600 rupees. 650 rupees for.
Give them.
You guys ate also. Like random cup, why you put in random cup? You will share spoon.
Uno ही बात किया.
This is the beauty of Hyderabad.
So guys, today we are going to taste some special Hyderabadi food.
Nahari pie. Pie means leg
And-
of goat.
And zaban.
Zaban
Nahari
means
zaban.
tongue.
Let's go. These guys have already sat before us.
Here we are having very special food.
Authentic Hyderabadi food, right?
Yes, very authentic.
Authentic. Guys, after a disappointment, Nahari, we are going.
My heart broke, bloody bastards. I will eat this.
New City will always do this.
Okay. But we will not miss Nahari before going, inshallah.
Inshallah.
If not,
Guys,
yes,
they didn't have Nahari.
heartbreakers.
So we are disappointed. We are not disappointed.
Bloody
no,
bastards.
no.
We have Ista special shawarma. Yeah, mama kya shawarma kya halat hai to?
Aminul is
Dulha.
he is the Dulha.
And Nausha also. Means he is the groom. Show him, not me. We are 100 people in one auto.
Tonight coming here.
We are 100 people in one auto.
Ayo, on the right side.
World's number one. Oh, का YouTube channel है. 10 million subscriber है. Shagos है सुना है बस.
Yes, we are going there.
Shagos की चिली है बरा.
Jagos की अच्छी नहीं है.
Number one है world.
जोयारा की. Dry fruit salad. There is chocolate topping. I don't know anything else.
If you take video, we'll taste. Take video.
This is dry fruit malai.
Melon juice center. खादा कुल्लू खोई सारा.
Now I will be tasting. Mohsin will be holding the camera.
Please leave some chocolate here.
Flavor is coming.
Do that after.
Oh, Atipayam.
How do you?
I didn't taste only.
Full mix from नीचे.
पहले
पूरा mix.
मैं मार दूंगा मेरे ऊपर का टेस्ट करने नहीं दे दो नाइस फ्राई
चमचे से मार मार के खत्म प्लास्टिक के वो
उन्हें मिलाओ मत बोल रहा बाबू तू खाने दो
चॉकलेट टेस्ट कर ले तो फिर मिला लेना था लेकिन नहीं वही तो
साइड में थोड़ा सा साइड में लगा हुआ है यस
तो चॉकलेट खरीद के देंगे बाद में.
Listen, don't eat and drink, guys.
so this somebody else's we totally didn't forget to record I mean give review okay
I'm not understanding what all are there, but it is very tasty. What is the restaurant? Today we are in Shah House.
यहाँ हम लोग शागोस में खाना खा रहे थे बिरयानी मंगाई थे रोटियाँ मंगाई चिकन 65 वाला मंगाए सेट है मस्त मजा
नारे भाई बोले तो भाईगन दे रहा इसने 5 बजे आने का दे वक्त साल
जी शगुफ्ता
मैं डाइटिंग पे मैं नहीं खाऊंगी ओके
यार मुझे बस एक एग सैलड मिल जाए तो मजा आ जाएगी
What all you order?
We ordered 2 mutton special biryanis and 2 chicken 65.
Chicken 65.
Yeah.
That is only special.
That is
why you are judging me
Actually, no nihari, guys. We will not have nihari from Hyderabad.
we will go Delhi.
No problem.
No nihari, guys. Look at his face. Look his face.
Fighting.
Guys, food came. This is chicken 65. This is Romali roti. This is special Hyderabad biryani. One piece Romali roti. And how much ever you want chicken 65?
Out of 5, how much?
10 or 10? Now this is Hyderabadi biryani, special mutton with egg also.
Dahi
Mutton so good.
It's not Saudi, it's villager.
बहुत हो रहा है देखो सेट करो ना
हटना सामने से
500 रुपए
What is happening? Move
500 रुपए
from
का है घूम गए घुमा दिया अम्मी डांटे
move vlog hey that is made
Cancel
that is
vlog.
double
500 rupees he lost.
सूरज हटा दे move that please move that that is special double ka meat from Hyderabad made from bread it is the bread pudding made from bread and milk and sugar and
why he did and also
and
sugar
and that is Kubani ka meat made
Guys, this is the last chai from Hyderabad. Special
Hyderabadi Zafrani chai.
Hyderabadi Zafrani chai.
Okay.
Joshua, what do you have?
Different variety taste, guys. Not normal chai. This has kungumapu and what do you say for kungumapu? Saffron.
Zafran. Ran में saffron. little refreshing. Nice. Go on.
Very healthy chai.
Beautiful flavor.
Good flavor. Okay, ये बात आप